Hello everybody, I wanted to do a little video here on how to change an outlet in your home. First of all, you'll want to make sure you got the breaker turned off. And after you do that, maybe take you a wire sniffer here, or you can get a multimeter and check, make sure there's no voltage to them. But you just stick that inside there, and if it don't beep, and you know you got the power off. You'll need a straight screwdriver to remove the plate off of it. Take that off. And usually you need a Phillips screwdriver. I made a little display here, so that's why I'm able to move it around. Take the bottom one loose and the top one. There's only 2 screws holds them in. And you should have enough wire to be able to pull it outside of the wall there so you can actually work on it. Always look at it and know which side your wires go on. Usually the black wire is the hot wire, which will go on the small slotted side, and the white wire will go on the bigger side. And you got usually a ground wire that's bare. It'll go on the little green ground part here. Or sometimes it'll be a green wire and it'll go there. If you're not for sure thinking you'll remember, take you a picture of it so you have something to look back on. Unhook that. And sometimes instead of one set of wires like I got here, you'll have 2 sets running into them, which is usually a jumper wire to another outlet or something. And you always want to look at these little brass tabs here to see if they have been removed from the other time. If so, you just take a pair of needle nose pliers, bend them back and forth till it breaks off. And to put it back in, I usually start by hooking the ground wire up. Make sure you got them fastened good. And usually, also, the screw that I'm not using, I'll run it in all the way. Less chance of it getting against something and shorting out. And the white wire goes to the big slotted side. Same on this side, I'll run the one end that I'm not using. And you just slide it back in the wall. Line your screws up where they go in the hose. and get the bottom one started. Snug this up. You don't want to put it so tight that the screws strip out. So once you get down there where it's starting to get against it, just a couple turns and make sure it ain't sliding around on you. I got the top one there a little loose, as you can see. Give it another turn and put your little outlet cover plate back on. And after that, just turn your breaker back on and you'll be good to go. So, that's all there is to changing an outlet. If you'd like to see some more videos on stuff like this, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think. Have a great day, everybody, and bye.